Hi friends, I am from Regrop.com, India's leading real estate brokerage firm, and today we are visiting at Merlin the One project. Merlin the One is an affordable residential project in Toligunge, South Kolkata. The project offers 2 BHK and 3 BHK apartments available in the sizes of 906 to 2070 square feet. Toligunge offers comparatively affordable capital values and high rental returns, attracting both end users and investors. Here we have the entrance gate. So now we are moving inside. As you can see, this is an under construction project. The possession will be available on June 2021. This project is constructed over 3.20 acres of land. This project carries 3 number of towers with 17 floors each and total number of 296 units. The BSP price of Merlin the One is 7,333 per square feet. Thank you friends for watching this video. For booking, please contact at the given number. Thank you.